Still praying as I'm onward bound. Lord, plant my feet on higher ground. Anybody share that part this morning? I'm pressing on way. New heights I'm gaining every day, but still praying as I'm onward bound. Lord, please plant my feet on higher ground. Lord, lift me up and let me stand. My faith heaven's table land. Oh, a higher place than I Lord, please plant my feet on higher ground. My heart has known, help me, Jesus, desire to stay where doubts arise and fears dismay. Don't stop me where these things have found. Guess what? Louder and higher is higher ground. Lord, lift me up, happy Jesus, and let me stand. I faith on and by faith on Lord, please plant my feet Say it with me. Lord, let my feet be intentional if it's your prayer this morning. Lord, let my feet. No matter the person beside you, not saying. If this is the prayer of your heart, oh, you can speak it into being right now. Because whenever we out here is found and what is loose of the heaven is loose. Sometimes the devil wants to steal your joy and let you feel, like you're incomplete, that you are not worthy to walk in this truth. But today, we know that we can stand strong because with God all things are possible. And we can do all things through Christ, not ourselves, not self-righteousness, but through Christ who strengthens us. So say that part one more time. Lord, let my peace